Now let's see AWS Step Functions Overview. Let me open AWS Management Console. I already logged into AWS. Let's search Step Functions. Let's open Step Functions in new tab. So this is my Step Functions home page. Step Functions home page. AWS Step Functions assemble functions into business critical applications. Let me show you dashboard of AWS Step Functions. You can click on these three icons and see this is AWS Step Functions dashboard. Here you can see state missions. Click on state missions. Here you can see create state mission. Okay. Here, let's say I'm going to use any state function name. Select standard, then click on continue. See, here you can see diagrammatic. Whatever we are going to define, we are going to see diagrammatic definition. And one state is start and one state is end. Middle, you can add your jobs. See, you can define states for this one. See, these are different services of AWS Cloud. Let's say instead of drag and drop, you want to write a definition. Go to code, you can write a definition here, JSON definition. Each state definition you can define. Diagrammatic, you can just drag a particular service. You can just drag a particular service, then you can select the glue job. You can select a glue job and you can configure that glue job, or go to code, you can write a definition of that glue job. It provides drag and drop, it provides JSON code development. If you write any code here, then here you are going to see diagrammatic representation. So developing state functions is very easy. Only one thing, if you want to call particular service, you need to configure IAM role. So go to configure, you can see permissions. There we are going to attach role. We are going to attach role. Once state function is created, we are going to see a role is created. We are going to take that role. We are going to attach corresponding policies to that role. So in first example, I am going to show you how to set up a role and how to assign particular service policy to role. Okay, clear, right? Overview of step functions.